Howdy, pirates.
Previously on CannacityHustles.
Okay.
Put a bid in. Let them know that we're not backing down.
Okay.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
We won.
Let's go!
Okay, guys, we won at 460. We'll see you soon.
I actually got outvoted on this. So
Yeah.
let's see if their hunches are correct. If they are, I shall be humbled and apologize. But
Or
if they're wrong,
we're wrong.
we'll chalk it up to a newbie mistake.
Nope, Mama C's right. We got this one. Let's go see what's inside.
This may actually end up a better unit than I thought. The dude's a collector, we might find a collection. So what we're going to do is we're going to end up taking this guy home and then open him up. But until then, I guess you're just going to have to wait. Because if that's what I think it is, then that's good, fine. And if it is what I think it is, maybe I can convince my wife to let me keep it. Because I like to play guitar. Alright, here we go.
All right.
$19.58.
Whoa. What is this? Please don't actually be meat.
I was just gonna say please.
Open it up. Okay, what'd you find?
I just found this box, and the box says $599.99. So I checked it, and I found this inside. We'll open it up. Where do you see that?
Huh.
We'll open it up to see if the camera's in there.
Oh,
And looky there.
it is. Wow, and he kept it in the box.
I'm not going to take it out here. We'll wait till we get it home, but it is in there.
Wow. Huh. He kept his stuff nice. This was a good choice.
Yeah, where'd he?
He did admit that he eats crow. Major crow to eat. So he owes us big time.
I was a little nervous.
I
at first.
was too. I was like, God damn it, we cannot let him win. We can't let him be right about this one. It just felt too right to me.
I know.
Too
and
many
that's going-
things fell into place perfectly.
And I could just hear him say, "I told you so. I told you so."
Oh, I know. I could hear it in my head, in his voice. I was like, no.
Jimmy!
And we still don't know if the guitar's in there. We could still have a guitar in there. Oh my
Yes,
God. No, we haven't looked. We gotta wait till we get home.
Tell Jimmy to come here.
What?
I'm going to show you.
Considering I left my knife at home.
Yeah, every member should have gloves, closed-toed shoes, and something to cut a box with. And if doing something arduous, eye protection. Safety is job one. And here at Canacity, we as pirates are not dumb. We're not dumb pirates. Dumb pirates don't do smart things, which makes them dumb pirates. Yeah. This... Okay, guys.
You kept it in a Ziploc.
Yeah, this guy was a J. If anybody wonders what a J means, is a MBTI function, a judging function. Very organized.
He's in the back right now having a snack real quick, so.
Okay, just on the chair then.
And then we'll move him out of the way beforehand.
Yeah. Well, I just want to make sure they're completely protected. So, wow. A gut hunch wins the day. That's humbling, but at the same time I have to factor in the volatile nature of trying to predict one of these. I wouldn't have been able to see any of the other information. Had I known that, I would have been okay with a ceiling of like 1,000. But I'm glad that nobody else saw the value in this. Alright. Yep. Bring it in, bring it in. Alright, let's get some of these
Bigger boxes out.
yeah. This thing I think is just a hindrance because it's in the corner. We think that it's like prohibiting us, which it may well just have, but no, it's not. Is this the same pimp game?
Yeah, I just set it.
Okay, I was like, God damn, this motherfucker has 2 pimp canes. There's 2 pimps in here? Or just 1 pimp that needs 2 pimp canes? I was like, damn, this guy was living hard.
Yeah, no, same campaign.
Dad's bedroom papers. Why does Dad have bedroom papers? Okay. Apparently we need things in our bathroom that are quite astonishing.
I wonder if this is all of like grandparents' stuff that they moved in here
Probably.
after they passed away or something.
Yeah. Oh yeah, plastic film. We're just gonna build a big old Tetris. I think it's a bag. Busted you with logic. Big that.
Yeah, I asked them.
I know. Just being difficult. I did that in a Russian voice. What is this? This guy likes to wrap everything up. I hope I don't find some turds in here. My dude, enough is enough. Alright, so let's go ahead and start slapping these things on there.
Okay. You want this on right now or?
Sure, doesn't matter. It's all gotta get to the truck. Kids MC something album, baby book, little blah blah blah. What's the other side? Oh, old coffee cups. I think this is more collectible stuff.
Well,
And this guy is gonna give us a pretty hefty payout. We may never get to the Brittany unit. You wanna go ahead and take those? Book and VHS tapes.
VHS tape?
Yeah, like we haven't seen those forever.
We're watching VHS.
That you did surely not. Oh wow. Luther Vandross, Gladys Knight, Van Halen, Commodores. Cyndi Lauper. Batman. Okay. Oh, bollocks. This one's heavy as shit. Where's the cart?
Huh? Still out there. They were doing that one.
Okay, you might want to have them, or help them out with that.
Alright, so we can get it back to the sticker.
Exactly. I'm not showing this one because it says it's childhood memory, so I try not to show these ones. Well, I'm glad that the woman at the front desk was horrifically wrong about this unit. Said it was just personal stuff. No, the normal one. No, it's telephony. What the hell? What was this guy doing? Metered insecticide. Oh my god, it's a ball sack.
Is that the last load now?
Almost.
Just keeps going.
Hey Mitch, can you go ahead and start unloading those, buddy?
And then this guy.
Yeah, you're probably gonna need to kick Grandma out of the way.
Alright.
Okay, so I was gonna haphazardly just throw this box on a stack of boxes over there, and I felt it shift. I was like, what the hell? And it was kind of partially open anyway, so I was like, what's in here? What do you think that looks like?
No idea. Oh my god.
Allow me to? Oh no. Oh, well, I'll have to hack it when we get home.
We also found a whole bunch of keys. Does it take a key?
No. And there's this, where this is. Oh, it's got some foam.
Oh. Wow. That's interesting. Does it open?
No idea. Like I said, if you guys find anything on here that you like and would like to have, let us know. Email us at ContactCannacity@gmail.
Oh. It's like a little nativity scene.
It looks like this. No, maybe not. I was gonna say it almost looked like it was made out of wood, but I don't know what kind of grain they were using other than make brush strokes.
Really nice with all the different rhinestones and jewels all over it.
I think it was hand painted.
What does the little thingy say on it?
Christmas gift 2002 for son. E.
So another thing to look at later, the guitar, the lockbox, and the briefcase. Good find, hon.
Thank you.
Good fun?
A briefcase and
Taking a little break. It's getting hot out there, and I wore sweats and a t-shirt. Big mistake.
Yeah, it's really warm out here. So he found a locked briefcase in there.
You did.
Yeah, and it's locked. We don't know what's in it. Something's rattling around inside, so.
Sledgehammer time.
Can you guys pick up like some burgers too? What? Can you? So
Okay.
this wasp landed right here, and of course we all know wasps are cunts with wings. So I backhanded it, like the badass that I am. Knocked that bitch right there on a spider web.
And now the spider and the wasp are at war. Who will win?
I don't know who to root for.
I don't know either. They're both assholes.
Yeah.
The thing is that the spider has the advantage of the web, and the wasp can only get a stinger out so far.
Yeah, he's trying too. He's like
Wow, look at them.
spider.
Predator against predator.
The spider only has to get one bite in.
And it's all your fault, Jimmy.
Yeah.
You're the one that trapped him.
He sealed his fate when he landed next to me.
Wow. Look at them going after each other's legs, and his wings are spinning.
Yeah, he's trying to hit that stinger.
Oh, did he get him?
I don't know. The spider backed off.
Mono a mono. Wow. God, I hope they don't, the freaking wasp doesn't get free and come up right in my face.
Right.
So far.
'Cause I am really close to him
I
right
think
now.
the spider got hit once or twice, but he seems to might be just waiting for the wasp to tire out.
That's not a black widow, is it?
No, doesn't have a red marking on the back.
And his wings are going. Oh, I'm not even looking. His wings are
They run out of
going
power, I guess, but they
crazy.
got water.
How do you just flew?
The wasp is forever getting himself even more locked up in that. Pretty soon he's not going to be able to move. The spider will have him.
Yeah, man, when he's on Spoiler.
Hi, baby. Look at this battle going on. Battle to the death. Stinging and biting each other.
Nature at its worst.
I think the coolest thing I've ever seen is two trout going after each other.
You guys want your food or not?
Yeah.
Yeah, but we kind of want to see who's going to win this.
Me.
So,
I'm going to walk right in front of you.
The other water.
I wonder which one of them is more scared right now.
Let's go over here, baby.
Good luck, guys. Okay, guys, so we are completely done. And we got it all cleaned out. Here you go, you can see. It's all empty now. Still incredibly dark. You can't see anything, but it's empty. So that was a 5x15 unit. That's one of our smallest units ever, actually. But wasn't too terrible to move. We got it all in one trip as far as truck, trailer, and Mama C's car. So between that and then leaving a whole bunch of like 7 or 8 boxes of personal stuff behind, we're gonna get it all in one trip, which is great because we didn't want to have to come all the way back out here. So all of this stuff is keep. Crazy good stuff in here, guys. Cannot wait to make you more videos as I find more goodies. But hope you enjoyed this first day of whatever we end up calling this unit. To be determined later.
HECTOR COLLECTOR unit.
HECTOR COLLECTOR unit? Really?
Yep, I like it.
Okay.
Better than Chester the Molester. HECTOR the Collector, even better.
Okay, so the HECTOR COLLECTOR unit.
Not the Molester.
The HECTOR COLLECTOR unit.
Not the Molester.
Oh my god. I'm going to beat you with that somehow. I don't know how, but I will find a way and make it work. I will make you beat yourself with it.
Probably works too.
Yeah.
I have this.
And the hiccups.
Yeah.
Something about storage units, it gives you and me the hiccups.
It's awful.
Anyway, so, okay. That's it. The girls went to go do some stuff and I just turned in the keys to the unit, the keys to the kingdom. So, yeah. Anyway, I can't remember what else I was going to say. Alright, everybody sign off. Goodbye from day 1 and day, I don't know, maybe the last day, who knows how long it's going to take us, of the HECTOR COLLECTOR
Doing all
unit.
those stupid female, like, you know, looking between two things, smiling. I'm done.
Okay. Alright.